We will shut a man in our crowd. If I'm on next back up, I'm a shut a man in our crowd. If I'm next pussy fling a back, I'm a shot anyone on the side on the face.
Ooh, Nation Wagwan, it's about Adrian back in the building with another episode. But before we get into anything, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Tell a friend to tell a friend, watch that video.
You like that chuck in your mama. But after gully summer, all who don't like that chuck in their mama. You understand? Gully and NATO, you see it, and Dapper Nation, our operation, you see it? Yeah. Be a big gun we bust over that side, yeah. Understand? Yeah. In a real life. Be a big rifle with fire.
Start. Me a cuss out the artists them because them not you in a gun song. Bumbo clout. Me tired of no. Yo, dog. Me a say Mavado, dog. A long time me no hear you drop a gun song, brother. And me a say, yo, Mavado, Bumbo clout, man.
And this is a man where every day I work out. This is a man I work out, I show tire in him chest, he might lift up iron up so, he might do the push up, then he might.
One more say, Gully gotta come back for you all summer. It's a Gully summer. We have big guns released by Gully God. Because me as a Gully God say, I'm going to take over a whole summer for himself. I'm going to take over a whole crime scene. Me say, I'm going to shoot off for alkaline. I don't know a vendetta and Gully a war right now. A lot of people say they want to see the warrior. Is me I say, I'm interested in another warrior. I said, because right now, Vybz kARTEL seems like he's gone in retirement. One thing about Gully God, when them man they take disrespect none at all. They shoot off for them man they are come feel. Last man shoot off for them man they are popcorn cry. Creep.
A big guns, I that my friends them fire. We born with that empire. We put them in crossfire. A big guns.
And Nation, some people have said the war between Gully God and Alkaline. I want war with them plan together. You see me I say, we don't know if a real war this or the war about to explode in a dance hall. As me say, when you tell me what you think in the comment box about this, cause big guns are big tune. You know like this are summer tune. So I'm going to see where Vybz kARTEL will come with after that, cause you don't know Vybz kARTEL now make none of this.
You don't like that chuck in your mama. But after gully summer, all who don't like that chuck in their mama. You understand? Gully and NATO, you see it, and Dapper Nation, our operation, you see it? Yeah. Be a big gun we bust over that side, yeah. Understand? Yeah. In a real life. Be a big rifle we fire over that side, yeah. Remember, good. Nicey. Tell them we don't move nicely. You understand? NATO badness. God, you know the thing go. DJ Mama's boy, you know the thing go. Yo! So you know Gully God just drop the song named Big Gun. See it? Corey Gully side, you know it go. See it? Gully God say, a big gun. And that my friend them fire. Bar with that empire. I see when the God say that now. You hear God say, big gun. And that my friend them fire. I see the stay so when the tall rifle stay so. Zane boy, you don't know what. I have the song. So when the rifle sing and him take them talk. Wait. That bumbo clot here drop soon. 11th the world with him a drop. Me assume just come off my phone and video me orchestrate fully and now. A problem? Them bumbo clot for some of ya. Remember me tell you we are dealing with this summer one different way. Watch how we are going to deal with that summer ya. Fully gully side outside from them. Bogle guns. You know the thing go. Bones operation. You see me gully side operation, NATO operation, Dapper Nation. You understand? Remember good Rick Storm. Boy, be a flag in here to do this year. Remember your gully, hey. Your gully side, you know, me know that you know if you say nothing, you know, me you know. Bumbuckler to them. Rick Storm. It's gonna be a storm. Bumbuckler, Bogle. You know the thing, man. Mad, touch your brother. Gully side out for them, man. Out in Queens, New York right now. Take a love, big up, you know. All like French world, see me, you understand? We have a big French caliber job too. Me a keep my mouth a song when me a job for this summer, yeah. And the blood clot sick of me. Sick of me this summer. And you know we run out past some big show too. You understand? Be a big show. Remember we over 5th of July this weekend. We are forward black in New York. Come shell down killer show. See me a tie rich. There in Queens, you know. Over rocking me there right now. You see me? Mad! But yeah man, P&Q rhythm, shell. Cause we been at these and I show us something I go on, you know, and I think of the joke thing. No joke thing there night. We don't care who I'm ball, anybody a ball and done here man. But listen me, I torture for summer, I torture for Christmas too. So I just get used to torturing.
Nation right now dancehall scene hot right now. As Gag say, a torture for summer and the Christmas.
Start. Me a cuss out the artists them because them not you in a gun song. Bumbo clock. Me tired of you know. Yo, dog. Me a say Mavado, dog. A long time me don't hear you drop a gun song, brother. And me a say, yo, Mavado, Bumbo clock, man. Dog, we born in a badness, you know, dog. And where you depend? Yo, dog, yo, we want your girl song, yes. We want your culture song, yes. But what to the gun song them there? Vybz, what to the gun song them there? I want to call up the music thing.
Well, Nation, we are cut down a little bit off our badness for now. 2-time Olympic 100-meter champion Shelly Fraser Price was outshone by fellow Jamaican Tia Clayton at the Doha Diamond League meeting. And
now, again, the fastest of the Clayton twins at 10:81.
Securing her first national senior title as well, Tina Clayton. What a race that was.
Changing of the guard, might be.
Indeed it was.
so now, Nation, is a big congrats to Tia Clayton. You know what I mean? We can see where Jamaica have a faster Shelly and Fraser. That's a good look. Now we can see where another athlete complains saying the Jamaican sport diaspora now really take it serious because the Jamaican athlete them are disappear, go to Turkey and other countries just to make ends meet. Let's take a listen.
Because these athletes switching are no difference than you going to work somewhere for a better pay. And the place where you come from give you everything. I understand that, but at the end of the day, everybody want financial gain because when track and field done, or when sports done, as much as you want something to show that you did it, you still want to make sure so you earn so you can move into the next part of life. So these athletes switching to Turkey, yo, me not bash them. I encourage athletes to go out there and seek better opportunities for yourself because at the end of the day, sport is a short time span. And then some sports are not as lucrative as some sports, and then some events are not even as lucrative as some events.
Well, Nation, I understand what the brother here said, but by the end of the day, Jamaica need to take control of the league and actually try and pay them some money because we see a lot of things are going on in our country where it's not right because the money are about to take care of the country and bring forth infrastructure and schools and roads and them things there.
Shut a man in our crowd. If I'm on next back up, I'm shut a man in our crowd. If I'm next pussy fling a back, I'm shot anyone out of the side on the face.
So yo, make sure you like and subscribe to the channel. Big up everybody we are watch. Big up everybody we are share it. Is me I say me appreciate you all. You know what I mean. Until next time, guys, we out.